children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Had a breakfast? Yes, let us start with our poem, Our Forest Friends. Now, forest means what all you see there in the forest? You see animals, you see birds, different types of animals you can see there. In birds, different types of birds you can see there. And look here, you can see here different types of birds and animals. You can see trees there, different types of trees you can see there. You have here one tree, like this trees also, many you can see there. In that forest, we can see only greenish color. Do you know that, children? Yes, you all know very well. Yes, let us start reading the poem, Our Forest Friend. Our forest friend. On a lovely mountain slope, there's a forest green. Wherever you go to the forest, you feel so happy, you feel so pleasant that the greenish color you can see. Wherever you go, it will be very greenish color. All many types of trees we can see there. Many types of animals you can see there. Many types of birds you can see there. Now second stanza, let us come. It's full of green and green trees. You can see all types of green trees, the kind you were never see. See, here in near our house we can see any green trees, we can see, but not so greenish color. When you go to the forest, you feel so happy seeing that green color. Wow, so beautiful the forest is, you say. Yes, here also the kind you never seen. The kind you were never seen. Tiger, birds and bears play among the trees. Tiger, you know tigers. Birds, different types of birds. Bears, you know that. Playing there among their self. Yes, they live together here. They live together here. They live, all animals and birds live together in the forest. As and how they please monkeys, donkeys and rabbits. And see here, these animals also are staying in the forest. They are also playing with the tiger, bird and bears. A gentle spotted deer. You can see gentle spotted deers also. You can see in that forest. Peacock you can see, doves you can see, and parrots also you can see in the forest. They all live there. They all live there without fear. All live here without fear. Yes, these animals don't have any fear. They are living, all are living together. They are not having any fear. A river running by has water pure and sweet. You can see in the forest animals, birds, trees, as well as water also. A river is running by as water pure and sweet. The water will be very sweet, very pure, which they come and drink. Animals all who are staying there, they will come and drink the water. Not even animals, birds also will come and drink the water near the river and give themselves a treat and they feel very happy by eating there, sleeping there, drinking there, enjoying there, playing there. they feel very happy. You all understood, no? What I am telling, children? This poem is Our Forest Friends. They live among the friends. Here you will be having, all will be having friends, no? With whom you all will be playing, children? You also will be playing with your friends, relatives. Yes or no? Like this also, the animals have a forest to play there with the friends, with their, among the birds, animals. They jump one tree to another tree. They play like that. The animals will jump one tree to another tree. They enjoy their days playing like that. They play among themselves. You all play with your friends. Different types of games you will play with your friends. Yes, children, you also have different types of friends. You have friends, cousins, relatives. Everybody will play each other. Like this only, birds, animals also will play with each other and they enjoy with each other. Now let us read once more. Our forest friend. On a lovely mountain slope, there's a forest green. It's full of green trees. A kind you were never seen. Tiger, birds and bears play among the trees. They live together here as and how they please. Monkeys, donkeys and rabbits and gentle spotted deers, peacocks, doves and parrot all live here without fear. A river running by has water pure and sweet. Water pure and sweet. Wish they come and drink and give themselves a treat. See, children, by this lesson, you people also, you children also have to be united. See, you have to take care of your friends, playing with each other. How many types of animals are there in a poem here? In this poem, you have so many types of animals. You have birds, you have trees, all types of trees you have there. See, it's full of green trees. Green trees means it's full of green color with different types of trees you have there. Full of green trees. And you have animals. So many animals you have. You can see tiger you have there, bear you have there, and monkeys you have, donkeys you have, rabbit you have rabbit, and you have all types of animals there. And you can see the birds also. Birds, you can see what types of birds are there in this poem. You can see peacock, dove and parrot. Only 3 types of birds you can see in this poem, but you have lot of birds in the forest. Different types of birds in the forest. Not only animals, birds, trees also are there. Different types of trees you have. You have color in green trees you have there. You don't have any color, only greenish color you have. Forest means as soon as you go enter to the forest, you can see all green color. Understood, children? Yes, thank you, children.